It is indeed a snow day. North Carolina actually got more than an inch. This is wild.
Punishment for the person farthest off.
Oh yeah, person farthest off.
Has to put their face in the snow.
Wait, the person that wins? 2.8.
2.3. 2.6.
I'm saying just a solid 2.
2.2. It's for sure 1.6.
1.4.
1.9.
2.5.
1.9.
Mine was 2.1, but you said 2.1?
Oh, I did. I can go marriage.
No, I'll go 1.95.
That's real snow. Okay,
All right.
don't look. Oh yeah.
Moment of truth.
It is a lot. Bro, I think it goes 1.75.
Yeah.
75, 1.75. What's up, YouTube?
I want to put it in my beard.
Let me lick it off.
This is a family channel up until this point.
Please like and subscribe below. Let's do it.
All right, back inside.
It's 1.75 inches.
It's time for me to put my face in the snow.
Welcome to the vlog. Vlog number 3 of the year. All right. You ready for skiing next week? Heath, you're doing great. Pizza, pizza, pizza.
You won.
Bad throw, bad throw. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hi. Oh my god.
We're driving cars on a Mars tonight. We're blasting off to the stars tonight. We wanna go, go. We wanna go, go.
Oh my gosh. You gonna do barefoot? Julie, what do you think?
Water, snow, ice, it's all the same, baby.
Bro, you're seasonal.
I'm a seasonal bitch. 23.
23 degrees.
Alright, I got like 2 seconds until I get...
Hey, it's 23. It's 23 degrees. Oh!
It's so cold.
She's a sailor.
Good morning. This is the maiden voyage of the Air 2S. Really hope I don't crash. All right.
Bye-bye.
All right. Snow Day 2022. We'll show you these drone shots. We'll probably make some good breakfast. What else are we gonna do today?
Take a nap.
Take
When
a
it melts
nap
this
at some
afternoon.
point. We will go sledding again. We'll try snowboarding. We'll hopefully not break our necks. Just like that. Flip. Stop there.
Okay, that's better.
Oh yeah.
Oh no, no! Get out.
You call it the layaway.
My worst nightmare is destroying a 6-year-old.
I've been walking around, waiting for you to shine. People passing me by. Does it feel like I belong? Trying to keep it alive, it's on the inside for a better confirmation.
Oh no, huge mud. Oh gosh. Oh!
Oh my gosh. That is a big pile of mud.